Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Gemini, and this reading will resonate for your sun, moon, rising, and Venus signs, guys. Gemini. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Gemini. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have book, clouds, and lady. So in your circumstances today, guys, Gemini, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you may have some confusion or doubts in your mind. Maybe when you're making some important decisions for yourself, you do not see clarity and you are waiting for something to change, maybe for some of you. And you have, you have something holding you back or something making you wait. Maybe circumstances are you feel stuck to something. Maybe you don't know how to go about in your work situation making that right decisions today, guys. And the reasons, maybe you have something clouding your mind, maybe some distractions, someone is sick, maybe someone really close to you, or it may be this person you love, or maybe a family member. So that is the reason you may feel distracted and you don't you are simply tired physically and emotionally to handle your circumstances effectively. So that is affecting the way things are going in your work situation or in your relationship. And in your circumstances today, guys, maybe for some of you, you are seeing a change, something is coming. Maybe you are finding out the reason for this situation, seeing clarity. So in this relationship, whatever was not clear, or maybe in your work situation, whatever was not clear, and the reason for that, you are seeing that today. So maybe there is someone helping you, guiding you, telling you the truth about your situation, about this person you love. So you had some doubts on them and you felt that you cannot trust them, but this information someone gives you is clearing your mind, making you see the whole picture. So some kind of clarity you are seeing today, Gemini, in your circumstances. There would have been some doubts, but that is clearing up. That is what I see. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it is lilies. It's a positive card here, guys. It just means that you both have a very deep bond between you both. Some connection, a deeper connection. Maybe it is your karmic destiny, or this person may be your karmic connection. That is the reason they are here with you today, and you both share a very good understanding. Maybe you had some doubts or confusions in this relationship, but whatever it was, all that is clearing up, guys. So you both have mutual love, trust, and this relationship is something divine and something that will never be broken, guys. And that is what I see for your love energies, guys. So for your career situation, we have whips. So in your work situation, guys, you are doing something again and again, maybe making relentless efforts to achieve certain things, Gemini. But today, if you want to be successful, you must good efforts will never be wasted, guys. But doing something that is not working again and again is not going to help you. So you must go for that smart work, whatever will work for you, whatever will take you towards success. So you must do that, guys. Maybe some choices you are making is wrong, something you need to do something differently, think out of the box. That is going to help you today, Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Don the Golden Hat, duty. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your life, you are someone really responsible and you are a very wise and a very charming person, and you have certain things you need to do today. Maybe it may be in your work or in your relationship, and you are devoted, dedicated to whatever you do. But people around you, they may not realize your worth, they may not understand you, but the way you are responsible, or your dedication itself will be recognized very soon, guys. And patience is what is needed. Maybe you find yourself in a difficult circumstance, unable to be responsible, and circumstances may be challenging you, but patience is what will work for you, guys. And there is a time of recognition coming and you will surely be rewarded. And maybe for this love you have on someone, you are doing things, facing a lot of challenges and going out of the way and helping that person. Maybe they may not realize your worth, they may not realize your help right now, but true love will find its time, guys. So surely this person will understand you. Maybe even if it is not true love, you will get that true love in your life. Maybe with this person you may not feel that fulfillment and contentment. Maybe for some of you, you will this relationship, maybe if you have that true love on this person, even they will reciprocate that true love, guys, and that time is coming very soon. But for some of you, if you are single, if you are expecting a new person, true love is finding you, and that is that is a definite thing, guys, because you are someone who is responsible and who has that sense of duty, and all your good actions will always be rewarded, no matter what, guys, what the circumstances will be. So that recognition, the time of recognition and success is coming to you very soon, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Celestite. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, angels or spirit guides are here to help you and support you, and they are here to help you connect with people. Maybe you are shunning away from relationship, maybe and you are just feeling scared, or you are not ready to face some challenges today. But these spirits or angel spirits or spirit guides are helping you, guiding you today, guys. And maybe there will be these spirit guides are coming in the form of perfect guides or friends who are helping you to heal from the past or whatever difficulty you are having. And you need not isolate yourself, you just need to stretch out to that friendship you are seeing today. Maybe some strangers or some people may come out of the way, ready to guide you in certain things, help you out, and you need to understand that these people are people sent by the universe or spirit guides, and they are here to help you and guide you in some way in your relationship, to enhance your relationship. And maybe if you want a true change, or if you want a help from the universe or this crystal spirit, you can just pray within your hearts, guys. Pray towards that spirit, asking for help and guidance, and that way you will have that answer, or some kind of an intuition will be guiding you. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.